everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. I'm glad you're here today for another video. So I'll get my gloves on real quick. Hope everybody's doing good. Okay, there we go. I'll show you my painting from my last video. I think it turned out really good. I did go back and change the middle. I decided I didn't like that, the lines and the little thing in the middle. So I did change that, but other than that, I think it turned out really good. Okay, so we'll set that aside. And today, I'm gonna do something I haven't done before. I have done this before. I'm gonna make a flower over the top of this. I'm gonna be using black as my background, but I'm gonna pour all my colors into this instead of pouring them over separately. I'm gonna pour them into this and then pour them over that. And this is a 10 by 10 canvas that I'm working on. So let's get the background down first. Let's get our black put down. That'd probably be enough. Put that back over there. Black is messy to work with, but it sure is pretty with the right colors. Oh, it looks like I got a big lump in it. My towel, get my hands wiped off so I can get my tweezers and get that out of there. Let's see. Oh, that's a big one. Sure that's all there is. Okay. I'll go down there for some reason. Cover that. I think everything else is covered pretty good. Corner. It's this corner. Look at on my TV and it's the opposite corner. Okay. Oh, black's messy. All right. I'm going to be using the same colors again. I love these colors. I don't want to get them used up again. So this is Deco Art Smoked Pearl. Mutant Flash Violet. This is Mutant Flash Turquoise. I'm just going to be pouring them so they're mixed together. And this one is, let's see who it's by. Oh, this is Deco Art Caramel. This is Artist Loft Lemon Yellow. Don't want any more smoked pearl, but I'm gonna do some more violet. Just want to get my cup nice and full. Some more turquoise. And some more lemon yellow. I want to have a nice full cup. I don't see too many air bubbles in there, so I won't torch right now. So I want to get that right in the middle. Try to. Looks pretty centered. Okay. I don't know if I've done this. I never have done this before, so we'll see how it goes. Try and make a pretty flower. Got a shaky leg, but doesn't interfere with my pouring. Try and get it in the middle so that it'll pour right. I think some petals are getting more than the others. Okay, I want to stop there for a second. That one's got a lot more. Let that seep down for just a second. Now, if I can pick this up and just move it a little tiny bit, like that. I think I'm uneven, that's the problem. I didn't level my canvas this time, and I should have. I should have made sure my canvas was level, and I didn't. Try this again. Sit over there. Let's get drained off. I remembered I did thin these out from my last painting. It's miraculous, I see a dog hair. And I hear my doggy barking. I'm expecting something from UPS, so maybe it's here. Might be too thin to do this. Probably is. I think I made him forgot that I did that. Oh, my nose itches. Oh, getting to be allergy time. See if we can come in a little bit. We have on there. Well, it's really pretty. Awful heavy though. I think I got a whole lot of paint on here. See about tipping some of it off a little bit. I don't want to mess up my design too bad though. I think that's what's gonna happen. Let's try and get it back this way. Still looks pretty good. I still got that caught on something. Messed it up right there. Darn, got that caught on something. I'm gonna have to bring it down a little bit more over here. This way. Okay, bring it back over here. Nope. I think my flower kind of went to poo, huh? Give me a minute. I know you can't see, probably just the back. Okay. Don't think I'm liking it now. I don't like that black in the middle. Not really liking that black in the middle. Let's fill our cup up again and see what we can do. I don't think we have much of anything here, guys. That is not going to work. Not for me, anyway. Not sure what we're going to do with this. We always have flops now and then, don't we? Not sure. Could be a good background for something, I guess. Try and bring this down here. Well, it sure didn't turn out like I wanted it to, but I kind of like it this way. I think that's pretty this way. What about you guys? Do you like it this way? Sure didn't turn out like the flower I wanted. But that's a good thing with abstract art. If you don't like what you got, start over. Okay, I kind of like it this way. It's a close-up. It's a good background for something. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be a link or a flag button at the end. Click on it and that will subscribe you. Share with your family and friends. Anybody that you think will like this video. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for being here with me. And as always, please have a great day.